Morning students, welcome to the online teaching video from Sri Shankaracharya Vidyalaya. Hope this video will find you in sound health and in high spirits. Today we are going to do the last part of this chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. We have already learned and read about the other four parts, that is about the farming activities, about the distribution, about the types of what is the land sustainability. We have read about the organization of productions. We have done the land fixation, about the other way of growing the crops on the same land, and so many topics we have covered up. Now today's main part, that is we are going to cover up, is the very interesting part and the last part, that is the non-farming activities. The non-farming activities are the activities which are not related to farming or agricultural activities. So there are some more activities, these are not directly related to farming, but there are also some activities, these are the non-farming activities. The non-farming activities, in it the employment is defined as any form of employment other than farm employment in type of wage, self or unpaid family labor. Who are they and how they do these activities and why they are called the non-farming activities, let us see. So I have divided these non-farming activities in four major parts. You can see in the picture, it's a beautiful picture, it's given over here. Number one is dairy, number two is small scale manufacturing, now number three is shopkeepers or shopping, and that is the how the shopping activities takes place, and the last is the transportation. So let us see another picture over here. This is the farming activities. The story of village Palampur is divided into non-farming activities, farming activities and requirement of production. Requirement of production, that is the mode of production we have read earlier. It is of the four major types, that is the land, labor, physical capital and human capital. We have read the detail about these four factors, and we have read about the farming activities also, that is land is fixed. We are doing the multiple cropping over there, modern cropping over there, and because the land and labor and capital, that is the distribution, what is surplus. We have said about the how the land should be sustained, because it is very important part to maintain the land sustainability. Because of this modern farming, many of the using of the insecticides, pesticides, modern fertilizers and overusing the lands, it loses its original capability of the land. So there should be sustainability also, very important part. So non-farming activities, in non-farming I just now said there are four major parts, that is the one is dairy, that is the shopkeepers, how the shopping procedures is done by the customers, how they are more concerned about buying the things from the village Palampur, then the transport system and the small scale manufacturing. So let us read and say one by one each of this in detail. Say 25% of the population is engaged in non-farming activities in Palampur. And if we talk about the small scale manufacturing, we will say that in Palampur, small scale manufacturing is done, and unlike the manufacturing that takes place in big factories in towns and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple procedures. That is, the very simple production methods are being done on a small scale. Basically, the work is carried out at home or in fields with help of family labor. So labor is hired really. They do their own work. So laborers are not hired. So, or if it is hired by the large farmers, it is also very rare. So next is part that we are going to read is one of the very important one, that is, here is a picture. I have got a picture to show some of these activities. You can see over the transport over here. It's a very good. Tongas, then small carts over there, the bullock carts, then river waterways, that is the boats. There are the shopkeepers, how the shopkeepers keep the shops busy with the various other items, where we can see the different items. Here is a shop keeping the multivarious things. Here is the dairy and the fishing cultures. These are the other that is what we say the non-farm activities. So number one, dairy. Dairy is the major source of earning money in Palampur, and people feed on their buffaloes on various kind of grass and the jowar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village, and two traders from Shahpur town have the collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj, what we can say the details from the book, from where the milk is transported to far away towns and cities. That is, one is giving the surplus also, that is being sold out in far away towns and cities. Now next is what we say about, it's a picture of dairy farming. People are carrying in these cans. Here is the buffaloes collecting of the milk, and they are taking this in these cans and moving to the other villages and towns and cities to sell and gain a side activity or some side incomes. Now non-farm activity, another one is what we say shopkeeping, or shopkeepers, how they get involved in these non-farming activities. What we can say the shopkeepers of Palampur also. People involved in trade, exchange of goods, are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers, and who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. And the village selling a wide range of items. What they sell are the rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, then biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pencil, pen, even some clothes. That is what we see. We can see the daily necessities are being sold by the shopkeepers. Few families whose houses are close to the bus stand have used a small part of the space to open a small shops. They sell the eatables. That also very benefited by the peoples who are near the bus stand, because people traveling over the buses remain hungry and they need some food to eat on their way while traveling. So it becomes a very much benefits both the travelers and the sailors also. So next part, what we are saying is the transportation or transporting. That is the transport of fast developing sector, but there are a variety of vehicles in the road connecting to Palampur to Raniganj. These are the rickshawalas, tongawalas, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bullock cart and bogies are people in the transport system. They ferry people and goods from one place to another, and they return, they get paid for it. Obviously, if one is transporting, they take the money from the people and they help in transportation. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. That is, the people are taking transporting activity as more helpful for supporting their families. So this activity, that is the transportation job or transportation type of activity, is been given more importance in Palampur. So this is all about the whole chapter, that is about Palampur, their non-farming activities, and the major activities takes place in Palampur. And we can see the main differences also between the farming activities and non-farming. Also, I said earlier also what is farming and what is non-farming. So from there you can write also the main difference between the farming and non-farming activities of Palampur. So this is about the whole of this chapter, and hope for the good for you can answer well about this whole chapter regarding considering these videos. And thank you. Have a